currently.
Hi guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon and share this video with your friends and family. Yesterday I was not sleeping in my room, yet I was sleeping in my parents' room, so now I will declutter my room. So yeah, let's start the vlog.
So many dreams, yeah, in my life. I dream a lot of things in my life. You dream, I dream. They dream, we dream. Cause you don't be satisfied for what we have. We have different dreams in our life. We dream of getting rich, being famous, being scholars and so. We dream those ordinary dreams, forgetting that one day we'll leave this world. We will go with no dream, we dream, yeah. Sorrowful, yeah. My biggest dreams to see you, seeing you be my flesh, 'cause no one is like you.
Hi guys,
So guys, it's currently 11:37 and I was studying biology in microbes and human welfare. And now what I will do is that I will declutter my room and also organize some skincare stuff which I purchased yesterday. Now I will give you some skincare haul. So let's start the haul. The first one is this Dove cream bar and some loofahs, and then I purchased this hair oil bottle and some sheet mask and this dream length conditioner of L'Oreal Paris and some razors, this beautiful and cute comb and one hair brush. This is so cute, the color is also cute and Pinteresty. And then after I purchased this deconstruct gel sunscreen and aloe vera gel and some hair mask of Himalaya. And lastly I purchased this Pond's BB cream and also gulab gel as a toner and this cocoa glow Vaseline lotion and this hair scrubber, and last but not the least this Mark wipes. And now I'm going to organize all this skincare stuff in my desk, so let's start.
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. So many dreams, yeah, in my life. I dream a lot of things in my life. You dream, I dream. They dream, we dream. Cause we don't be satisfied for what we have. We have different dreams in our life. We dream of getting rich, being famous, being scholars and so. We dream those ordinary dreams, forgetting that one day we'll leave this world. We will go with no dream, we dream, yeah. Sorrowful, yeah. My biggest dreams to see you, seeing you be my flesh, 'cause no one is like you. I wish to see you, seeing you be my flesh, 'cause no one is like you. And I
So after organizing all the skincare stuff and cleaning hair, it's 2:25 and now I'm going to take shower.
satisfied for what we have. We have different dreams in our life. We dream of getting rich, being famous, being scholars and so. We dream those ordinary dreams, forgetting that one day we'll leave this world. We will go with no dream to dream, yeah. Sorrowful, yeah. My biggest dreams to see you, seeing you be my wish, 'cause no one is like you. I wish to see you, seeing you be my wish, 'cause no one is like you. And I wish to face the prophet Muhammad and be with him in Jannah. I dream of oh yeah, 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 yeah. So many dreams, yeah, in my life. I dream a lot of things in my life. You dream, I dream, they dream, we dream. Cause you don't be satisfied for what we have. We have different dreams in our life. We dream of getting rich, being famous, being scholars and so. We dream those ordinary dreams, forgetting that one day we'll leave this world. We will go with no dream, we dream, yeah. Sorrowful, yeah. My biggest dreams to see you, seeing you be my wish, 'cause no one is like you. I wish to see you, seeing you be my wish, 'cause no one is like you. And I wish to face the prophet Muhammad and be with him in Jannah. I dream of